Not so long ago, mines and factories were still being operated across our region. With their closure, prosperity gave way to unemployment and its accompanying problems. Retraining, regeneration and innovation are now vital for these former industrial heartlands, and 6 partners have decided to work together based on their shared heritage. The same difficult economic background, a densely populated region, but also, and specifically, one which features vast zones of exceptional biodiversity and landscapes. A thorough regeneration of post-industrial landscapes is now needed. As part of a European programme called WECAN, launched in March 2010, these 6 partners are sharing their ideas and experience to transform their natural heritage into a catalyst for economic growth to benefit the local population. Central to the WECAN programme is the economic dimension and the involvement of private corporations and inhabitants acting as guiding lights for all initiatives taken. The partners, working within a work group coordinated by the Belgian part, are looking at the economic value of the surrounding natural heritage beyond its mere aesthetic value.
Well, when you want to convince politicians that nature conservation is important, then you have to prove that it has also an economic benefit. And that's what Work Package 1 is all about. It's about proving that having a nice forest in your neighborhood is not just nice for butterflies and birds.
It's not just a nice area to walk in, but it's also important for a local community to have and to use this natural heritage to their economical benefits.
Nous avons mis en place au sein de 2 communes.
We have set up workshops in 2 districts, bringing together councillors, local farmers, those involved in the local tourist economy, and with them we have tried to identify the various assets that the grasslands represent in these areas.
Que rendaient les prairies sur ce territoire?
WECAN's philosophy is to utilise the economy to protect the environment and develop the region.